we look at 13 and 14, 13, let's look at the dimensions. The first matrix is a 3 by 1. The second matrix is a 3 by 3. So if we look at those inner dimensions, these do not match. So this is not possible to multiply. Let's look at 14. 14 says use the calculator to perform the multiplication. Now we actually already did this problem. It was number 9, so this is kind of just a check to see if we can get the same answer. And to do this, if we go to the calculator, to the matrix menu, and if we go over to edit, under matrix A, that's what I'm going to call this one. Over to edit, click A, my dimensions, this is a 2 by 3, and you can just enter in all of the entries and then quit out, and then go back into the matrix menu under matrix B, so over to edit, and you can call this matrix B, and this is a 3 by 2, so 5, 1, 3, negative 2, 1, and 4, and then quit out. And then if you go back into the matrix, it starts off under names, the menu does. So if you just press enter where it says A, it should show this on your home screen. And then you can put the multiplication symbol, or you don't have to because it's implied. But if you go back into the matrix menu and select matrix B under names, then it should show like this on your calculator. And then if you press enter, it will get you 16, 12, 8, and 9, which that was our answer when we did it by hand. So it's kind of nice that we can use the calculator to check our work here.